People often turn to drugs and alcohol for various reasons, such as seeking pleasure, coping with stress, or fitting in socially. However, these substances often lead to negative consequences, including health issues, strained relationships, legal troubles, and addiction. While addiction is treatable, relapse rates remain high, with 40 to 60% of individuals relapsing within a year of treatment. Physical fitness, particularly high-intensity interval training or HIIT, presents a promising alternative to substance use. Exercise can address the root cause of drug use and serve as a natural, healthy coping mechanism. Research indicates that exercise can significantly aid in addiction recovery. For instance, studies have shown that workouts like weight training or jogging can enhance recovery from various addictions. The benefits of exercise in addiction recovery include restoring neurochemical balance, reducing cravings, alleviating stress, anxiety, and depression, improving physical health, counteracting the damage from substance abuse. Providing routine and structure is essential for recovery, enhancing sleep quality, boosting self-esteem and confidence. For those looking to integrate fitness into their recovery journey, it's crucial to set realistic goals, choose enjoyable activities, start slowly, maintain consistency, and seek support when needed. If you're having a hard time in recovery, we can help. Contact us today to learn about exercise integration as part of your holistic approach toward addiction treatment.